Hello students, today we see next point, synthetic division method. Now in the division by synthetic method, the divisor polynomial is in the form x plus a or x minus a. In this method, the divisor must be of the form x plus a or x minus a, whose degree is 1. This type of is called linear form, that is in linear form, x plus a, x minus a. Now we see this method examples in practice set 3.3. Now first example, divide each of the following polynomials by synthetic division method. Write the quotient and the remainder. First we have to divide the following polynomials by synthetic division method. Now first example is 2m square minus 3m plus 10 divided by m minus 5. Now first write down the divisor is equal to, here first write down dividend. Dividend is equal to 2m square minus 3m plus 10. Now this must be is in coefficient form. Now here degree of this, what is the degree of this polynomial? 2. Therefore this contains 3 terms. This is in standard form m square m constant term. Therefore write down its coefficient form. Is 2 minus 3, 10. 2 minus 3, 10. First we write dividend, its coefficient form. Now, and divisor is equal to m minus 5. Divisor is equal to m minus 5. Therefore, opposite of minus 5 here, opposite of minus 5 is, if there is minus we take plus, if there is plus we take minus. Therefore opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. Now write down the coefficients. 2 take distance, minus 3, 10. Now here opposite of minus 5 is 5, therefore take here 5. Now take first term as it is, that is 2 as it is. Multiplication of these two, 5 into 2, 10. Write down here 10. Here plus 10 minus 3, larger term is plus, therefore plus 10 minus 3 is 7. Take multiplication, 5 into 7, 35. Take its addition, 10 plus 35 is 45. Write down this in box. This is called remainder. This is called remainder. Now, these are the coefficient form of coefficient. The coefficient form of quotient is equal to 27. Coefficient form of quotient is equal to 27. Therefore, quotient equal to quotient is equal to, now there are two terms, therefore take here variable m, therefore degree must be 1, that is 2m plus 7, and remainder is equal to 45. This is the answer of this. Write down question number 2. Question number 2. X to the power 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. Divide by x plus 2. Now first write down dividend. Now what is dividend here? This first polynomial is dividend. Dividend is equal to x to the power 4. Write down dividend in standard form. This is already in standard form, that is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. X to the power 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Therefore, in coefficient form, its coefficient form is, now its coefficient form, here degree is 4, therefore it contains 5 terms. Now its coefficient form, take coefficient of first, that is first term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the coefficient form. And dividend, divisor, divisor is equal to x plus 2. Here opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. Opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. Here is plus sign, therefore take minus sign. Now write down coefficients. Take distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now which term we have to take here? Opposite of plus 2 is minus 2, therefore take here minus 2. Write down first as it is, that is 1. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Minus 2 into 0, 0. Multiplying by any term to 0, we get 0. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Minus 6 plus 4, greater term is minus. 6 minus 4 is 2. Minus into minus plus, 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. This is remainder. Now there are 4 terms, therefore first write down this, the coefficient form of quotient is equal to 1, 0, 3, minus 2. Therefore Write down quotient. Therefore, quotient is equal to, now there are 4 terms, therefore take degree is 3, that is 1 less than 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now here variable is x, therefore x to the power 3 plus 0x square plus 3x minus 2, or it can be written as equal to x cube plus 3x minus 2. It is not necessary to write this. This is quotient, and remainder is equal to 9. This is the answer. Write down question number 3. Question number 3. Y cube minus 216 divided by y minus 6 divided by y minus 6. Now here, first write down the given polynomial, that is dividend. Dividend is equal to y cube minus 216. First write down this in standard form, is equal to y cube. Then here is square term is absent, therefore 0y square plus 0y minus 216. Its degree is 3, therefore it contains 4 terms. This is in standard form. Standard form. Its coefficient form is, now take its coefficients, that is 1, 0, 0, minus 216, and write down divisor. Divisor is equal to y minus 6. Here opposite of minus 6 is plus 6. Opposite of minus 6 is plus 6, is 6. Now we have to divide by, first write down coefficients, that is 1, 0, 0, minus 216. Now which term we have to take here? Opposite of minus 6 is 6, therefore take 6. Write down first as it is 1. Take multiplication, 6 into 1 is 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 into 6, 36. 36 plus 0, 36. 36 into 6, 216. Minus plus becomes 0. This is remainder. Therefore, the coefficient form of quotient is equal to 1636 Therefore quotient is equal to now here there are three terms, therefore take degree is 2, variable is y, therefore y to the power 2 plus 6y plus 36. This is which type of polynomial? This is a trinomial since it contains three terms and its degree is 2, therefore it is a quadratic polynomial. And write down remainder is equal to 0. Write down question number 4. Question number 4. 2x to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 4x minus 2x square. 4x minus 2x square. Divide by x plus 3. Now first write down dividend. Dividend is equal to, write down this as it is. 2x to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 4x minus 2x square. Now what is the next step? Write down standard form. Standard form is equal to, now here highest power is 4, therefore write down 2x to the power 4. Then term of cube 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus constant term is 0. Therefore its coefficient form is, write down in coefficient form, that is 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0. This is in coefficient form. Divisor, write down, and divisor is equal to x plus 3. Therefore opposite of plus 3 is minus 3. Now write down coefficients 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0. Now here take opposite of plus 3 is minus 3. Write down first 2 as it is. Take multiplication 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. Minus minus plus 3 into 3, 9. Plus 9 minus 2, that is plus 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 into minus 3, minus 21. Minus 21 plus 4, minus 17. Minus minus plus 17 into 3, 51. 51 plus 0, 51. This is remainder. The coefficient form of quotient is equal to 2 minus 3, 7 minus 17. Therefore quotient is equal to quotient is equal to, now here terms are 1, 2, 3, 4, therefore its degree must be 3. That is, we can write this as variable x, 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 17, and remainder is equal to 51. This is the answer.